If you like corned beef bakes, then you've stumbled on the right vid. Right, first of all, potatoes, about 300 grams of potatoes, put them into boil. Next we chop up half an onion, nice and small, ready to be fried. Fry your onions, keep stirring them until they are a nice dark brown colour. So we've got about 150 grams of corned beef in the chopper, so chop that. Okay, the onions are nicely brown now, so we want to add about a dessert spoon of butter or margarine to the onions. And once that's melted, you can add in the corned beef. Okay, so potatoes done. Now what I do is I use a fork to mash half, and the other half I just cut very small. It seems to be the best way to do it. All done. Now they're ready to go in with the corned beef and the onion and a few other ingredients, and then we let the whole thing go cold. They're nicely mixed in. So next we add salt and pepper. So just add as much as you want or as little as you want. There's the pepper. There's the salt. And the next ingredient is tomato ketchup. Now I'm going to start with a dessert spoonful of it, then I'm going to taste it. Then if it needs more, I'll add more. So in the end I went in with about 3 dessert spoons full of tomato ketchup, which is how I like it. But you do you. Okay, the next step is to roll out your pastry and cut it into 4, and roughly divide your mixture up into 4 as well. And because I'm left-handed, I've put the mixture on the left-hand side of the pastry. So now I'll use 2 forks to smooth it out. There we go, smooth that into rectangles. And now we have got to, we're going to warm a little butter on the hob. So we've got a little butter warmed. So what we're going to do now is just edge our pastry with it. Just like that. Okay, we put the butter edging on, so now we're ready to fold. So I'll fold one, show you what it looks like. All folded. Now the next stage is we crimp the edges with a fork, pressing quite hard, like that. Go all the way around it on every single one. All done, all crimped. Now for the last bit, we've got the melted butter in the pan here. We add in a little tomato ketchup. Just a bit. And mix that in with the melted butter. That'll do. Now we go over to our bakes and we give them a generous helping of the butter tomato coating, like so. Not easy to do with one hand. Okay, all coated, and the final thing to do now is to get some air holes in. 1, 2, 3. Don't press too hard, just halfway through is fine. Give the knife a little twist, then hopefully with any luck they won't explode while cooking. So I'm going to cook these for about 23 minutes on gas mark 6, but you just got to see what your pastry says about cooking. Just out of the oven, 4 golden corned beef bakes. I let them cool down and I'll cut one in half. And all done and ready to eat.